Hello everybody, today I wanted to do a review slash install tips on this AVS hood and windshield deflector from Amazon. I got it for $109. Full disclosure, I will be putting a affiliate link in the description below, so if you are interested, please use that link as it does greatly help the channel. I purchased this, like I said, for $109, $110 on Amazon after looking at some of the reviews. I am very impressed with it. For 110 bucks, I think it does an amazing job protecting not only the hood, but the windshield as well. Now, I just got back from a 1,200 mile trip all across the northern portion of the lower peninsula in Michigan. Tons and tons of bugs by the lake shore. As you can see, like I said, I just got back. I have assassinated bugs pretty much everywhere on the front of this vehicle. There's bees, there's big old horse flies and everything, bunch of gnats. And this hood deflector did an amazing job. Not only does it protect the most vulnerable portion of the hood, but it also has this elevated portion which shoots air up and over the windshield. So at highway speeds, I'd say if you're going less than 65 miles an hour, you're not really gonna see a benefit with this, but at highway speeds, it does do a great job keeping bugs and very small fine debris off of the windshield to help protect against cracks and those nasty horse flies. Now, like I said, it was about 1,100 miles total. When I first got up there, we did a lot of lakeshore stuff, so I did clean the windshield off about a quarter of the way through to maybe half. Most of the driving where all the bugs got on the windshield was at less than highway speeds. Now, like I said, this does, it protects the hood and it also protects the windshield. Now, if you guys have Rams out there, you'll know that the paint quality is not the greatest. And as you can see, I already have a couple of rock chips from gravel trucks or just cars kicking up debris on the freeway. This is positioned in a perfect spot to protect against that. And then it also, again, protects the windshield. There are 8 pieces of 3M double-sided tape that are used to attach this to the vehicle. This goes for the heavy-duty Ram trucks. I know they make this for other brands. I'm not sure about that. I can't speak to that. But for the heavy-duty trucks, you have 2 pieces, one right here and here, that go up to about here. You've got 2 pieces here and here that go to about the middle. Again, 2 pieces front and back, and then again, 2 pieces front and back. Now, the installation tips I would give you, after looking at some of the reviews on Amazon, I have noticed some people do complain about the fitment. If you look really closely, you can see it's not 100% a perfect match. However, it is, in my opinion, good enough. It looks like it's pretty much a 100% match, maybe 99%. But I will give you some tips. I would install this on a hot, sunny day. I would put this out in the direct sunlight before you install it, just to get it a little bit more malleable. When the plastic is warm, it is easier to kind of move around. And then the second tip I would give you, before you place this on the hood, obviously alcohol wipe or alcohol and paper towel, wipe the hood completely clean. I would unfurl maybe an inch or 2 on each portion of the 3M tape. So that way, when it's in the area you want it, you can put it on and then just pull the tape back from here and then pull the tape back from here. Then you can firmly press on it, or you can use C-clamps, which I did. I put a C-clamp here, I put a C-clamp here, C-clamp here, and a C-clamp here. And then again, once you have the positioning you want, just simply pull back the tape, press down, pull back the tape, press down. Again, if you do park in direct sunlight, the heat will help the adhesive adhere to the hood itself. Now again, some of the reviews on Amazon you may have seen, if you're looking at this product, say the fit and finish isn't great. I mean, we've got a little gap here and then slightly bigger gap up top. And then on this side, the gap looks pretty consistent. That's not really a big deal to me. I just wanted this for hood protection and then bug protection with the windshield, and I think this did an absolutely amazing job. So again, if you are interested in this product, I do have an affiliate link in the description below. If you do buy it for any of the brand vehicle you have, take your time, set it out in the sun, let it get a little warm, and then again, just pull back some of the tape at a time before you apply it, and then once it's where you want it, then you can pull back the tape and firmly press it down to the hood. But again, I absolutely love this product, and I think it looks really nice on these Ram heavy duty trucks. If you do like the video, please consider giving me a like and share. And if you want to keep up to date with the build process of this vehicle, definitely subscribe to the channel. Check out the affiliate links in the description below. There will be a lift kit and wheels and tires going on this vehicle before the end of the summer. Thanks so much. Have a great day.